Hello, CEO teachers. Welcome back. We are getting into the marketing goodness again that we are known for. I am so excited about today's topic because it's one that comes up every single year. It is tried, it is true. And so, if you're interested in helping your sales go through the roof this holiday season, then this episode is for you. But Casey, why are you telling me about this so early on in the game? Because now is where the magic happens. So, what I'm going to share with you today is a way for you to make a holiday gift guide, some way that you can send your followers, your fans, your subscribers to your recommendations for the holidays. And it starts right now. We usually like to plan these things about 3 months in advance, but we think that if you start right now with some of the tips and tricks and strategies we're going to share in today's show, then you'll be ready to go and ready to make some extra income during the holiday season. And what's better than being able to not worry about money whenever most people say money gets tight? Stick around, you don't want to miss it. So Henry Matisse said, "Don't wait for inspiration. It comes while working." And Mary Lou Cook said, "Creativity is inventing, experimenting, growing, taking risks, breaking rules, making mistakes, and having fun." I can't reiterate enough how much having fun is so important in life. I think that as I have grown and really worked towards not taking life so serious, that everything has opened up for me. I believe that fun is like the number one rule in life. So I get up in the morning, go to the gym, I'm going to have fun. I get up and come to work, I'm going to have fun. If I'm not having fun, I'm going to leave and I'll come back when I do want to have fun. If I want something sweet during the middle of the day, I'm going to go have fun. So last week, my mind was all over the place. We had finished our lunch and I said, I need to go to the beach. I just need to go to the beach and I'm going to have fun. And when I got there, I was a little bit overwhelmed with nothing to do, which sounds crazy, but I like to be busy. And I said, you know what? I got to have fun. So if you're not having fun with what I'm going to share with you today, then don't do it. But I do think that right now, before things get insanely crazy with the holidays, you can work on this aspect of your business. I do believe this is fun. Like it seems like a really fun activity for you to do in order to increase sales. A lot of times you have to work on creating a product or a service. And that to me is not necessarily as fun as a holiday gift guide. So what is a holiday gift guide? Well, it is this image or this PDF of ideas and concepts that may go with your brand. So for example, if I was going to make a holiday gift guide, I would do it by helping CEO teachers be able to purchase whatever they needed. Maybe I would do how to start your own studio holiday gift guide. Or maybe I would do how to start your own podcast gift guide. Or maybe how to start your teacher business from scratch gift guide. Everything that I have used in my business, I would create in an image, in a blog post, in a PDF. I would share it on social media, and I would get affiliate commissions for everything that I sold. So I know you may be thinking, but why would anybody want to buy my things? A lot of times they want to collect gift guides and then see which things match, which things don't. But I do want to encourage you to make sure that you put what you use in your gift guides. Sometimes people will say, I want to pick whatever's going to make me the most money. And our number one core value here is be a good human, be good to all people. And if you're living by our rules, that's not being honest. Whatever's going to make you the most money is not being honest. And I don't believe that like the way that the world works, that's going to pay you back tenfold. So try to be honest with what you would recommend, maybe as a parent to other people that are teaching their kids to read. Maybe as a Montessori parent, a homeschool parent. Holiday gift guides comes in all shapes and sizes. Maybe you love to cook. Maybe you are good with dogs, whatever it might be. This could be a great way for you to make some extra income in November and December. 54.81% of Americans shop at a local store at least once a month. 70% of consumers shop locally to boost the local economy. 49% of consumers shop locally to support local companies. And gift guides are a great way for you to share products that you love with your audience. If you're in a local area, so for me, I live in a very rural South Georgia area, I could create a holiday gift guide partnering with people in my community as well, and be able to share some of the things that are in our local stores to help some of my local people. This can also drive traffic to your website. It can also drive traffic and awareness to your company. So you may think, I'm just sharing a holiday gift guide on how to start a podcast, or I'm just sharing a holiday gift guide on what to get your dogs. But if your business aligns with those things, then later on down the road, this could be the first step in awareness for people to find your brand. It is a great way to earn affiliate income. Now, remember, holiday gift guides are very important during the holiday season, but some types of gift guides can live on your site all year long, like what to get your husband for his birthday, or what to get a preteen for back to school. So as you begin to create a gift guide, just in general, think about how could you make a gift guide evergreen as well. So first, you need to start with your niche, as I mentioned before, rather than shilling random items that your audience has no idea how they could pertain to why they follow you. I want you to create a curated guide specific to your audience. If your niche is math, for example, you could create a Pi Day gift guide. That would be something that math teachers would love, they would resonate with, and it just makes sense. If your niche is literacy, you could do a gift guide on National Book Lovers Day. And you could say, hey guys, here are all the books that I recommend on National Book Lovers Day. If you're a science teacher, you could create a holiday gift guide or just a gift guide for National Science Day. And you get the idea. Think about how your niche could create an evergreen gift guide, but also some that are specific to your audience. We like to utilize the 5 gift rule here. So you want to create something that they want, something that they need, something they could wear, something they could read, and something special. If you're thinking you need to pull the car over, don't worry, I'm going to repeat those. So the 5 gift rule is inside of your gift guide, we want to encourage you to create something they want, something they need, something to wear, something to read, and something special. I also think about this gift guide when I purchase gifts for my own children at home. I think about something they want, something they need, something to wear, something to read, and something special. And we're going to try to do the 5 gift rule in my house this year. It's going to be hard. But I think that it's a really great way to kind of start a better tradition for Christmas so that we realize that life is not really about stuff. It's about love and experiences and all of that. So we're going to try to implement this while my younger kids are small. So that way we can kind of just roll into that and that be our new season of Christmas. Next is that you're going to want to analyze the data. We love digging into the data around here. In case you didn't know, like data is our best friend. We don't do things unless the data supports it. So ask yourself, why is your audience even in your space? Like, why are they here? Think about what are they coming to you to learn from? What are they being inspired about? What are they asking you questions about? Ask them. What would you like for me to show you in a holiday gift guide? What are you interested in? Find ways to take these concepts and create a gift guide that answers your audience's daily challenges. Use the data for best times on social media to post your guides. Friends, I know that this is a rule that works. We teach this inside of our CEO Teacher Business School, but I get cracked up because I just don't care a lot of times. And so I'll post a reel like at 9:00 in the morning on a Tuesday. And then I'm mad at myself because it only gets 3,000 views. And it's funny to me because I know when I post it, it's not going to get a lot of views, but I don't care because I'm just tired. I don't want to post it on Friday at 10 p.m. So think about that though, especially if you care, if this gets a lot of traction, really think about the best time to post your guide. Share your guide on the platform that performs best for you. If all of your IG posts are falling flat, but you have a huge following on Pinterest, then friends, that might be where the magic happens. Next, I mentioned you should ask your customers what they're interested in. We love to do this. So we share this in our CEO Teacher membership, but people want that in which they help create. If you've never heard me say that, that's one of the best marketing pieces of advice that I've ever received from Jeff Walker. And it was, people want that in which they help create. People want to know that they had a stake in what you're creating, that they were part of the magic. So ask your customers, what might they be interested in? And you can figure this out in a lot of ways. We teach people how to do this through email marketing, but also you can do it very quickly by taking a poll using Google Forms, or my favorite is by social media polls. We recently asked our audience, what would you like our webinar topic to be? We gave them 3 topics and we chose exactly the one that they selected because people want that in which they help create. So give your audience a few options and ask them what they would like to see. Next is that you need to decide how to curate your gift guide specifically for your audience. For instance, a kindergarten teacher could create a gift guide for parents and beginning readers or ideas for hands-on activities. A middle school teacher could create a gift guide with all of their favorite science activities for middle schoolers, plus a guide for teachers looking to add lab materials. A high school administrator might create a collection of professional books to give as gifts, to create a bundle of PD options, or even a few items for their desks or their offices. When you create a curated guide, you can also reach out to other teacher authors in your niche and ask if they would be willing to share along with you. So what happens is you might create a culmination of a gift guide with other people in your niche, and then you all can share it. And combining those audiences is a relatable content win-win. We love win-win situations. Dr. Stephen Covey is one of our favorite people, and he shares about why it's important that life is not a zero-sum game. If you've never read 7 Habits of Highly Effective People, please be sure to do that. So collaborate with really big people in your niche, plus maybe give away like a $500 gift card. Everyone donates $100. And if you share our gift guide, or if you purchase an item from our gift guide, you could be entered in to win a $500 gift card. Create a guide that includes resources or content from 3 to 4 to 5 teacher authors, and discuss with those people when you might want to share and how you might go about sharing these guides, because we want to make the user experience as seamless as possible. Now, the main reason a shopper will use a gift guide is to streamline the experience, because we like an easy button. They want to know exactly how something fits, what it smells like, and even the user's experience with the item. Basically, give them all the reasons to use your guide and not have to run around like a crazy person trying to chase the next sale that Walmart has. In the teacher author world, this looks like sharing how you're going to help them streamline their life using your gift guide, how your guide can transform their classroom or transform their life, and exactly what is included in the product or bundle. So once you decide what you want to include in your holiday gift guide, you'll want to go to your favorite affiliate. I would suggest Amazon. Grab the links there and put them in your gift guide. So that way, when someone purchases from you, you receive a commission. So if you're going to do this, you could do it in Canva, and when they click on the picture, click on the photograph, it would take them directly to your Amazon link. Now, remember, the harder you work, the more money you make is usually how it works. However, we don't encourage that on our side of things. But if you want to work harder in this season of life, then you could create a long form blog post content that you would send your audience to so they could read more about everything that you're going to offer if you have the time to do so. Don't forget about Pinterest marketing, creating images and pins, and help your content live on past the holiday season, because Pinterest is similar to a brick and mortar store. You'll see pins for years and years down the road. So create your gift guides throughout the year, those evergreen ones that we mentioned at the beginning of the show, but get started on those holiday gift guides right now, and then publish those to Pinterest so that you can have content rolling for you all year long. Thank you so much for listening to this episode on how to make a holiday gift guide for your teacher business. I hope that you have a beautiful week, and as always, remember, your best is yet to come. I'll see you soon. Bye, guys.